What do the red screws mean to me? They mean that we're craftsmen, that we care about the extra little details, right? We're doing more. It's very common to run up to an air conditioner or any appliance and find screws that the last guy left out. And it's just one example of how we're craftsmen and we try to do our very best. We try to do more. And we've found these little things that are easily skipped in the industry, photos, the red screws, and we do them.
Whereas other companies might leave some of those screws aside or not put them back in, we make sure, down to coloring our screws, that you can see the difference in that attention to detail. And I think that rings true across the entire business. All of our shared support associates, all of our branch folks that support the field, all of us really look to have that attention to detail in everything we do every day.
The red screws are an easy problem solve to take care of something small for a customer, whether it's just this little squeaky noise when it turns on or turns off, that I can zip a nice tight screw in there. Makes a big difference, even though it's just a little thing.
So what the red screws mean to me is that we took the time to look at every detail and go, that's missing, and I want that client to go, oh wow, what's that red screw there? Well, that's a Goettl red screw. That's what I want them to feel.
We're going to cover everything, all the little details as well. Hopefully the customer asks us, or on the next visit, I noticed a red screw, what is that about? Oh, it was missing. We just do that to remind folks that we try to do everything above and beyond.